Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about how Cerner helped protect a data center REIT. And there's two premises we want to talk about. The first is sometimes the best acquisition is the one you don't make. And then secondly, not all business is good business. So let's look at two scenarios involving data center REITs and how Cerner impacted the business. In the first scenario, you have a publicly traded data center REIT with a very niche strategy and focus within the industry. It needed to buy something to prevent itself from being acquired by a competitor. This led the management team to look at a lot of assets that were dilutive to the brand and strategy, specifically looking at retail co-location and companies with a lot of hospital or healthcare clients. This was a real problem because hospital managed hosting and server business was all going to go to Cerner or Epic over time. Ultimately, the company didn't do the deal. The data center went from 39 to 65 a year and a half later. Way to dodge a landmine. Now in scenario two, there was a different publicly traded REIT that had a lot of retail co-location in its book of business, specifically in healthcare. They did an analyst day late one year around 2016, 2017. Everyone loved the guidance. A few weeks later, Cerner's awarded additional DoD EHR business. And then 2 months after the analyst day, the management team has to completely gut and change its financial guidance because of Cerner. Now, the stock went from 60 to 31.50. In both cases, knowing Cerner would have helped you a lot. So here are the key takeaways. If you're a public company executive that wants to do M&A, you need to know your customers in other industries in order to avoid problem acquisitions. Number two, in this situation, knowing Cerner or a customer would have helped prevent or salvage your business in both scenarios. And then number three, not all business is good business. You need to remember that if you're going to buy something or acquire something, you need to be sure that that price is attractive if all the hidden landmines go off. Because if that price is not attractive in that scenario, you're going to destroy value very quickly. Thanks for watching. Always here to help with your capital markets, investor relations, and corporate finance needs.